What's up, AI enthusiasts? Welcome back to All About AI Tech, your go-to channel for everything artificial intelligence. I'm your host, your name, and today we're tackling a topic that's shaking up industries and reshaping how we work: AI-powered transcription. Specifically, we're deep diving into Rev AI, a company that's consistently setting the bar for accuracy, efficiency, and innovation in the world of speech-to-text. We'll explore their flagship product, VoiceHub. It's pretty much changed the game. But before we jump in, let's bring you up to speed on why AI transcription really matters. In today's fast-paced world, information is currency, and being able to quickly and accurately transform spoken words into written text is a game-changer for professionals across various sectors. Whether you're a journalist transcribing interviews, a researcher analyzing focus groups, a lawyer managing case notes, or a content creator generating captions for videos, accurate and efficient transcription is absolutely essential. It saves you time, it improves productivity, and it lets you get back to the work that really matters instead of wasting time and effort on tedious manual work. And that's where AI comes in. AI transcription is literally transforming this industry, and tonight, we'll unpack what makes it so revolutionary. We'll look at the differences and similarities between AI capabilities and explore how Rev is standing apart in the crowd, showing that human-AI hybrid models work best, and showing just how accurate it can be. So buckle up. This is going to be a ride. So, what makes Rev AI tick? At its core, Rev's technology leverages the power of advanced automatic speech recognition, ASR, combined with the keen eye of human expertise. Now, ASR isn't some new invention. It's been around for decades, but things are different now. Modern ASR systems use complex algorithms and deep learning techniques trained on massive datasets of audio and video, allowing them to identify the finest nuances of human speech. We're talking about identifying distinct voices, even in noisy environments, separating and identifying speakers irrespective of accent, and correctly interpreting those pauses, those stumbles, and that disjointed sentence structure. Essentially, think about the entire recording and transcription process as a really sophisticated pattern matching system. The more data the models ingest, the better they can become at deciphering the patterns in human speech, which leads directly to improvements in accuracy and productivity. But Rev doesn't stop at just AI. Rev understands the value of human oversight. They employ a network of highly skilled transcriptionists who review AI-generated transcripts for human-only services, catching and correcting errors. And if this is just the AI service you need, they also offer another service using AI only. They've carefully curated a team of highly trained professionals to ensure the highest level of accuracy and human consistency. The combined, hybrid human-AI approach means that you get the speed and efficiency of AI with the precision and quality of human oversight, the best of both worlds. And this blend of human and artificial intelligence allows for a higher level of accuracy. This means that the chances of those pesky hallucinations, those weird fabrications, are minimized. It's a quality that's critical for legal work, financial services, basically any critical situations where accuracy is non-negotiable. Rev AI isn't just a transcription service. They've created something truly revolutionary, VoiceHub. It's not just an app, it's a productivity ecosystem. Think of it as your one-stop shop for all your audio and video. We're talking Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, you name it. It's so easy to use and integrated into your existing workflow and team dynamic. And that's a huge advantage, especially in today's fast-paced business environment. We all get that. But a feature that has really changed the game is the AI Notetaker. We're talking about an AI that doesn't just transcribe, it actively listens, identifies key topics, pinpoints decisions, captures action items, and even create summaries. Yes, that is truly how productive VoiceHub is. Imagine, you're in a meeting, but you're multitasking, thinking about emails, deadlines, or whatever else. VoiceHub is capturing everything that's being said in a meeting. What decisions are made? Who's assigned to what? Are any new deadlines set? You can then skip the tedious task of reviewing a lengthy recording or struggling with your handwritten notes. The AI Notetaker can provide you with complete meeting minutes and summaries that you can quickly share across all platforms. What does the future look like for you as a business professional? You're not just a note taker any longer. You can finally focus on high-level engagement, making insightful contributions within live meetings that improve collaboration and drive progress towards better business outcomes. VoiceHub is seamlessly integrated into so many already existing platforms and easy to use. We've seen time and time again how much more productive teams become. Now, let's talk about accuracy. Everybody wants it, especially in business. But for a long time, accuracy in AI transcription wasn't really guaranteed. In fact, sometimes errors seem to come standard with AI tools. That's no longer the case. and Rev really stands out. We've conducted extensive testing and analysis against top competitors in the market, including Otter.ai and Trint. And let me tell you, the results have been astounding. And I'm saying that in a good way. It's not just a little better. In fact, in a recent independent study, Rev AI's ASR system demonstrably outperformed its competitors across the board. I'm talking about consistent results, a clear winner irrespective of whether we're dealing with high-quality audio or challenged audio, noisy environments, or a variety of accents. Otter.ai and Trint are very good as transcription apps, but Rev's precision really has set itself apart. Why? Well, it comes down to several key factors. First, they've trained their models on a massive, diverse dataset. We're talking millions of hours of audio and video data. That's more than any other provider on the market. That gives Rev's algorithms the ability to recognize subtle nuances and even those little bits of disfluency and background noise. And that really translates into higher accuracy rates, which is incredibly important. Second, Rev's workflow goes beyond algorithms and deep learning. They incorporate human expertise. That human oversight is that extra layer of quality assurance, making sure those AI-generated transcripts are polished and error-free. The result, unbelievably accurate transcriptions, time and time again. The kind of accuracy that you absolutely need when dealing with serious work and high-stakes decisions. But what else does VoiceHub offer? Well, that's important to consider when seeing how AI improves efficiency and productivity. Its features go well beyond simply transcribing your conversations or meetings. VoiceHub is really designed to streamline entire workflows. Let's think through the many different ways it can help in your workplace. VoiceHub's AI can extract key insights and trends that might not be obvious at first glance. Let's face it, we all know there are times when you have to re-listen to a recording or reread some text to figure out what the important parts were, what actually happened, what next steps should be, and so on. AI design tools can actually do this for you, saving you time and effort. Imagine, you're a project manager, and you've got a big team, and you've got 1,000 separate meetings. You're going to have a real-time challenge in keeping everything straight and remembering the important parts, not to mention keeping your entire team on the same page. VoiceHub's AI can generate summaries that concisely capture those conversations, highlighting key decisions, action items, and all the stuff that really matters. You can then share that information with easy reporting and a transparent approach to management, so your entire team is in the loop. Beyond meeting notes, VoiceHub enhances usability with its features like bookmarking and timestamping, making it straightforward to quickly jump to a specific section of a lengthy transcription. You can also create those customizable workflows and templates. Why is this important? Well, when you have tools readily available that structure your day, you can focus on your task at hand without any effort wasted in trying to figure out where to begin. This is a quality that enhances collaboration, making communication and information sharing more efficient. So, basically, VoiceHub elevates the entire team dynamic by streamlining how teams can work together across any platform or communication. It doesn't just transcribe, it organizes, it clarifies, and helps ensure you are getting the most out of your available resources, especially when it comes to work efficiency. Now, let's talk about something incredibly important, especially for the business world: security and privacy. In many industries, we're talking about highly sensitive information, whether that's from client interviews, those confidential conversations with management, or those strategic discussions over some new marketing campaign. Any AI solution you choose needs to put security first, and that's something Rev gets. Rev understands those security concerns. They're SOC 2 Type 2 compliant. That means they've undergone rigorous audits to verify their commitment to data security and privacy practices. They've built a system designed to meet industry best practices. The data is encrypted in transit and at rest. They have multiple layers of authentication designed to prevent unauthorized access, and they comply with several regulatory standards, including HIPAA and GDPR. They also enforce mandatory NDAs on everyone who has access to those transcripts, which is really important, especially for law firms and other industries that are bound by strict data regulations. Rev goes above and beyond many products and services in this regard, and it's truly one of the best. Think about it. You're entrusting sensitive information to this service, so you need a provider that truly respects those security protocols. And because their human workforce is spread globally, every last one of those conversations you have, every last one of those meetings you attend, can be handled without violating HIPAA regulations. They don't use your data to train their AI or to sell products. Rev keeps data secure. Your data remains safe in its current format. Trust Rev AI. And that's a massive relief for many users. Essentially, Rev ensures you can leverage all those benefits of AI transcription without compromising on data privacy or security. It's a win-win. Okay, let's talk money, because pricing plans matter. VoiceHub's pricing is clear and straightforward. There are various tiers to fit different business needs and budgets. They offer a limited free plan to give potential users a chance to try out the quality of the service and see how it would look in their workplace. What do they get for free? 300 free AI transcription minutes per month, which is pretty generous, especially given that you don't have to provide credit card information or anything like that to get started. You just need to fill out an email. And that's plenty enough to determine if this will work for you. Their paid plans start at $9.99 a month for individuals and small teams and scale based on needs and usage. One other thing to note. There is no pay-per-minute option unless you buy a pay-as-you-go plan, although many users find that the monthly subscription plans are a better deal if you're using this AI quite a bit. The pricing is not just clear, it's competitive, sometimes even less expensive than other AI services on the market. What makes it competitive is not just the pricing, it's the value these services provide. In truth, it's hard to beat VoiceHub at its pricing, especially when considering how far the technology has come and how its capabilities exceed those of any of its competitors. Whether it's the speed with which meeting transcripts are generated and the summaries that are produced, you will increase your productivity by nearly 120 times, the ease of integration into your workflow, or the security measures that have been implemented to protect the integrity and confidentiality of your conversations, you simply can't go wrong with VoiceHub. Let's shift gears and see how Rev AI and VoiceHub are already impacting different industries and how these tools are literally changing work around the world. For journalists, VoiceHub simplifies the creation and management of transcripts for everything from quick news reports to interviews to long-form documentaries. The fast transcription can save journalists hours of tedious manual labor, allowing them to generate stories and reports fast. In the legal field, VoiceHub has made a huge impact in reducing the pressure and time spent on transcribing meetings and client communications. Their secure approach to data encryption can safeguard sensitive information, while their ability to find and summarize those long, complex conversations can make legal workflow much quicker and more organized. In education, VoiceHub can easily create accessible content. Transcriptions for lectures can quickly become readable content. Adding features like captions and subtitles makes course materials available to students who might be deaf or hard of hearing, students who are learning English as a second language, and much more, opening education to a larger, more inclusive audience. And for content creators, this just amplifies what content creators already know, that more searchable content will result in more views and higher SEO rankings. VoiceHub assists in transforming your audio and video into shareable, searchable, and engaging content that makes it easy to grab attention online and beyond. Whether it's making meeting minutes quickly, sharing important insights, creating video captions for YouTube, or generating compelling headlines based on an interview, the use cases are limitless. The technology truly has made efficiency more convenient. This isn't some theory. This technology has real-world applications. I've seen how it works firsthand. All right, AI fans, we've journeyed through the amazing world of Rev AI and VoiceHub, exploring its groundbreaking AI-powered transcription technology, its unmatched accuracy, its robust security features, and those productivity-boosting functionalities. Let's recap. We've seen how VoiceHub is designed to increase efficiency and how deeply integrated it is into multiple platforms you probably already use and how much it saves you in time and effort. We've also shown how Rev stands out because of its focus on accuracy. The human-AI hybrid approach yields results that are simply unmatched. We emphasized how it prioritizes security and privacy, ensuring the safety and protection of your sensitive data and the multiple compliance certifications which prove this. And we explored various real-world use cases across multiple industries that show just how transformative this technology is in the modern workplace. Ultimately, Rev AI and VoiceHub aren't just tools. They're strategic assets that can dramatically change how you work. They free up your time and your mind, so you can focus on the tasks that require your attention. They optimize your team's capabilities and processes, boosting efficiency and profitability. They help you make your organization itself run more smoothly. Whether you're a small business or a major corporation, Rev AI empowers you with tools to make the most of your data. And if you're still not convinced, remember that Rev offers a limited free plan. There's no risk in trying out the service, and it's more than enough to help you see how much this advanced AI can help streamline your workflow and transform your business. Thanks for tuning into All About AI Tech. Be sure to like this video, subscribe for more insights into the world of AI, and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. And let me know in the comments below what you really think about Rev VoiceHub. Is it already changing the way you work?